To be successful in the restaurant industry, it's not about the food, the wine, the cocktail, or the beer. It's about the experience as a whole. Here's the good news. There are well over 90 styles of beer and growing, which means there are countless ways of bringing balance to any table with the tasteful pairing of food and beer.
So tell me in a sentence or two what's most exciting to each of you from your individual perspectives about beer today.
I think it's kind of the spirit of collaboration I'm seeing between the brewers and the chefs. It used to really be a one-way street where the brewer said, hey, here's the beer I'm making, here's the flavors. The chef said, hey, here's the dish. Let's see if we can work together. But now it's really a back and forth of ideas flowing back, between the two of them.
Yeah, to see that relationship from chefs, brewers, also going all the way back into the supply chain, and farmers, ranchers, fishmongers, and getting that conversation going, but then it goes beyond there, and then the education that happens with the staff, with the students, it goes to the table. You're seeing restaurants that have been open for years and years all of a sudden bringing a beer program to the same level of their cocktail and wine program. It's an absolutely exciting time to see that.
And as you said, the education is so important because the customer's expecting more knowledge about where the food's from, where the produce is from, where the meat's from and the fish, where the beer is from, also where the ingredients have come from. We have to be able to share that information with our staff first so they can share it with a more demanding clientele.
What's really exciting for me today as a beer lover to see is chefs, is brewers, and retailers really upping their game and giving us that experience that we desire. We've got the most variety and diversities since Prohibition, and we finally see beer getting the respect at the table, and that is just beyond exciting.
What's most exciting for me is to see how the system has really become integrated. So we've been doing some work with spent grains, for example, and incorporating them in breads. And this is sort of almost like Back to the Future. I imagine somebody feeding the spent grains to their pig and then serving that pork paired with the beer that was brewed from those spent grains. Used to be breweries were local. Everybody went to their local brewery. Then all of a sudden it was this global expansion, and now it's contracted again so that everybody's looking at the options that are available to them in their local area, and it conforms exactly to what people are looking for in general in their food system and their beverage system.
And it's beer, so it tastes pretty good.
I'll drink to that.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Build upon the craft beer and food experience you already offer by discovering the untapped culinary insights in every new flavor and taste of craft beer. Begin the beer and food course at craftbeer.com and build your beer and food experience